nature just doesn't care. And so the more you interrogate nature, even as a kid at school with a little experiment with a battery and a light or something, you learn that there's a reality, and you learn what it takes to acquire reliable knowledge about the world. And reliable knowledge is important.
Yes.
So how do we form a view of, and it can be very important questions. It can be questions like, what happens if we carry on putting greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, for example? Whatever your politics are, it's a legitimate question, a good question.
Right, scientifically,
a
good question.
To influence the climate if we carry on doing this? And so how do we then address that as a question? You can't do it by going back to your political affiliation or your belief system. You've got to try and understand this complicated system, which is the climate of a planet. So you make measurements of the thing and you build some models and computer models. And there's a very famous saying that all models are wrong because they're models, right? So, but they're the best you can do. So you have a go and you come up with some information and a model that kind of works. And you say, well, this is the best version of our knowledge at the time. And then you can try to act on it and you refine the model. And that's the process.